Common nouns are names of non-unique, unspecific things. Depending on the types of things that common nouns are names for, common nouns can be further divided into three types: concrete nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. Concrete nouns refer to things that we can count, like books and dogs. Abstract nouns refer to concepts like happiness or justice. And material nouns refer to things that are mass, like water and iron. In terms of the grammatical use of nouns, the most important aspect is that all English nouns must show countability in a sentence. Countability means whether the thing the noun refers to can be counted or not. In light of countability, nouns can be divided into countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are names of things that can be counted, and uncountable nouns are names of things that cannot be counted. Things referred to by concrete nouns are normally countable, like one book, two dogs, and things referred by material nouns are normally uncountable nouns. Surely we can't count water or iron. Grammar rules relating to noun countability. Countable nouns must be used as plural forms or singular forms with determiners. Countable nouns can never ever be used in the singular form without any determiners. On the other hand, since things named by uncountable nouns cannot be counted, they must be used only in the singular forms. You cannot say waters or irons if you mean the material sense of the words. Uncountable nouns in their singular forms can be used without any determiners. When you break these rules, you're saying something that doesn't make sense. Consider these two sentences. I like dog. I like dogs. Only the second sentence is correct as it follows the rule. I like dogs means I like dogs as pet animals. By contrast, the first sentence violates the rule that a countable noun may not be used in a singular form without a determiner. Dog without any determiner refers to something uncountable about a dog, like a lump of dog. So the first sentence could mean that I like dog meat. But this is not what I intend to say, so the sentence is ungrammatical. When countable nouns are used in their plural forms without any determiners, and when uncountable nouns are used in singular forms without any determiners, they mean all or any. I like dogs. I like coffee. These sentences mean all dogs and all coffee. In colloquial English, people do use counting words or plural forms with uncountable nouns, like one coffee, two coffees. In this case, the nouns are actually used as a shorthand for a 1 cup of coffee and 2 cups of coffee. Some nouns are always countable nouns, and some nouns are always uncountable nouns. Examples of nouns that are always uncountable are money, advice, furniture, and garbage. But most nouns can be used both countable and uncountable nouns. While a noun can be used both countable and uncountable in most situations, their reference or their meanings are different. In the film Forrest Gump says, "Would you like a chocolate?" Chocolates are countable if they are in a box of chocolates. You can pick one. But if I hand out a bar of chocolate and offer you to take some bit of it, chocolate is uncountable. And thus, we should say, "Would you like chocolate?" In other words, "Would you like a chocolate?" and "Would you like chocolate?" are both correct. But they mean different kinds of chocolate. To use nouns correctly in a sentence, you need to know how to use determiners correctly. So we examine determiners in the next episode.